Hey guys, it's Daisy from Currys, and today we're taking a look at the top 3 features of the Smeg electric induction range cooker. You get plenty of cooking space, the induction hob, and pyrolytic cleaning as well. So we're going to head over to the lab now where we're going to show you these things in a little bit more detail. So we're here in the lab, and this is the Smeg electric induction range cooker. Now it offers you plenty of cooking space, and it's made to handle large families with ease and offers multiple functions to get you the best results no matter what. Now you've got the main oven, which has a 70-litre capacity, and 5 shelves which can easily adjust when needing space to cook larger dishes. You've then got the secondary oven, which has a 35-litre capacity, so it's great for cooking multiple dishes all at once. It also comes with this really handy meat probe to measure the internal temperature to get precision in your cooking for the best results. It also has an induction hob, which is all about quick and efficient cooking. Now this actually has 2 multi-zone areas which automatically detect the size and position of your pots and pans. So when you pop it on, you place it down and it will automatically heat the spot where your pan is placed. When it comes to cleaning up afterwards, it's made really easy with the pyrolytic cleaning function, which uses really high temperatures to turn spillages and food debris into fine powder that you can just wipe away at the end. If you'd like any more info on the Smeg range cooker, you can visit us here in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.